Have you ever wondered how millions of frogs are raised and harvested for meat? Let's explore the fascinating world of frog farming in Asia. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of frog farming, a booming industry in Asia that not only meets the growing demand for frog meat, but also presents unique challenges and opportunities for farmers. Join us as we explore the intricacies of raising frogs, from breeding techniques to optimal care practices, and discover how you can succeed in this lucrative venture. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just curious about the process, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. Let's jump right in. Raising frogs isn't as easy as it might seem. Farmers face several challenges that can make or break their success in frog farming. Ensuring a healthy breeding environment is crucial. Frogs are sensitive creatures, and even small changes in their habitat can lead to stress or illness. Farmers need to maintain proper water quality, temperature, and cleanliness. If the water is dirty or the temperature is too high or low, the frogs can become sick or die. Disease management is a major concern. Just like other livestock, frogs can be affected by various diseases. Farmers must be vigilant and watch for any signs of illness. This requires regular monitoring and sometimes treatment, which can be time-consuming and costly. Another challenge is the seasonal nature of frog farming. Frogs breed and grow best during certain times of the year. Farmers must plan their operations carefully to ensure they have enough frogs to meet demand, especially during peak seasons when people want frog meat the most. Competition in the market can be tough. As more farmers enter the frog farming business, standing out becomes important. Farmers need to find ways to ensure their product is of high quality and competitively priced, which can add pressure to their operations. There's the issue of regulations and environmental impact. Farmers must comply with local laws regarding farming practices, waste management, and environmental protection. Understanding and following these regulations can be overwhelming, especially for those new to the industry. Despite the challenges in frog farming, there are effective solutions that can lead to success. With the right knowledge and practices, farmers can overcome obstacles and create a thriving business. Education is key. Farmers should seek training and resources on best practices for frog farming. This can include workshops, online courses, or connecting with experienced farmers. The more they learn about frog biology, breeding, and care, the better prepared they will be to handle any issues. Establishing a proper habitat is essential. Farmers need to create a safe and healthy environment for their frogs. This includes setting up clean, well-maintained ponds with the right water conditions. Regular testing of water quality for pH, temperature, and contaminants is vital. By ensuring a stable and suitable habitat, farmers can minimize stress on their frogs, leading to better growth rates and health. Implementing good feeding practices is also important. Farmers should provide a balanced diet that meets the nutritional needs of the frogs. This may include commercial frog feed, insects, and natural foods. Proper nutrition helps frogs grow faster and remain healthy, reducing the risk of disease. Having a solid breeding plan can greatly improve success rates. Farmers should monitor the breeding process closely, ensuring that conditions are ideal for mating and hatching. Keeping records of breeding cycles and offspring can help farmers identify the best breeding pairs over time. Another effective solution is to stay informed about disease management. Farmers can work with veterinarians or agricultural extension services to develop a health management plan. This might include regular health checks, vaccinations, and quarantine practices for new arrivals. By being proactive, farmers can detect and address health issues before they spread. Networking with other farmers can provide support and valuable insights. Joining local or online farming communities allows farmers to share experiences, tips, and advice. This sense of community can help them feel less isolated and more empowered to tackle challenges. A weeding room is a designated space in the frog farm where weeds and unwanted vegetation are removed. Keeping the environment clean is vital for the health of the frogs. Weeds can harbor pests and diseases that may negatively impact frog growth. Regular maintenance of the weeding room ensures that the frogs have a clean habitat to thrive. The breeding season for frogs typically occurs during warmer months when environmental conditions are most favorable. During this time, farmers must monitor the frogs closely to provide the best conditions for mating. Water temperature, oxygen levels, and adequate space for laying eggs are crucial for successful reproduction. After successful mating, female frogs will lay eggs, usually in clusters. The quality of the water and habitat conditions at this stage is critical, as it affects the survival rate of the eggs. Farmers should ensure that the environment is optimal, with clean, well-oxygenated water to increase the chances of healthy hatching. Cement tanks are often used in frog farming to create a controlled environment for raising frogs. These tanks can help maintain stable water conditions and reduce the risk of disease. Farmers can easily manage the water quality, temperature, and cleanliness in cement tanks, ensuring that the frogs have a safe and healthy habitat. Frog farming can be done both outdoors and indoors depending on the available space and resources. Outdoor farms often utilize natural water sources, while indoor farms provide more controlled conditions. Each method has its benefits. Outdoor farming may lead to more natural growth conditions, while indoor farming allows for better management of environmental factors. Cleaning the farming environment is vital for maintaining frog health. Regular cleaning involves removing waste, uneaten food, and any debris that can contaminate the water. Farmers should develop a cleaning schedule to ensure that ponds and tanks are kept sanitary, as this reduces the risk of disease and promotes healthy growth. The pricing of frog meat is typically determined by weight. Farmers should stay informed about market trends to price their products competitively. By understanding the demand and supply dynamics, farmers can set prices that reflect the quality of their frog meat while ensuring profitability. Choosing the right species of frog is crucial for a successful farm. Not all frogs are suitable for meat production. The Asian edible frog, for example, is a popular choice due to its fast growth and delicious meat. Farmers should research various species to find one that fits their farming goals and local market demands. It's also essential to consider the frog's breeding habits and adaptability to local conditions. By selecting the right species, farmers can increase their chances of a profitable harvest. Creating a suitable habitat is one of the most important aspects of frog farming. Frogs thrive in clean, well-oxygenated water. Farmers should build ponds that mimic the frog's natural environment. This includes providing hiding spots and ensuring that the water temperature stays between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Regular cleaning and maintenance of the ponds help prevent disease and promote healthy growth. By creating a comfortable habitat, farmers can ensure their frogs remain stress-free and grow at an optimal rate. Proper feeding is essential for the growth and health of the frogs. Farmers should provide a balanced diet that includes a mix of commercial frog feed, insects, and plant material. The diet should be rich in protein to support rapid growth. Additionally, farmers should monitor the frogs' feeding habits and adjust the food quantities based on their growth stages. Good care practices such as regular health checks and maintaining water quality are vital to keep the frogs healthy and reduce mortality rates. Effective breeding techniques can significantly impact the success of a frog farm. Farmers should monitor the frogs during the breeding season to identify the right conditions for mating. This often involves adjusting the water temperature and ensuring that the frogs have plenty of. Once the eggs are laid, it's crucial to maintain optimal conditions for hatching. Farmers can also use selective breeding to improve growth rates and meat quality over time. Keeping detailed records of breeding cycles helps in making informed decisions for future breeding. Once the frogs reach market size, it's time for harvesting. This process should be done humanely to maintain the quality of the meat. Farmers should have a clear plan for how to handle and process the frogs. Efficient harvesting techniques can reduce stress on the animals and help preserve the meat's freshness. It's important to stay compliant with local regulations regarding the humane treatment of animals during harvesting. By ensuring a smooth harvesting process, farmers can maximize their profits and contribute to the sustainability of frog farming. In the factory, the frog meat undergoes a thorough processing procedure. First, the frogs are cleaned to remove any impurities. Then they are cut into different portions based on market demand. Some parts may be sold whole, while others are filleted or packaged in various forms, such as frozen or dried. Strict hygiene standards are followed throughout the processing to ensure the meat is safe for consumption. Quality control checks at every stage help maintain high standards and ensure customer satisfaction. Frog farming presents significant economic value. With the rising demand for frog meat in both local and international markets, it has become a profitable venture for many farmers. Frogs are not only a source of nutritious protein, but also require less investment in terms of space and resources compared to traditional livestock. This allows small-scale farmers to enter the market and generate income, contributing to the overall economy. In conclusion, frog farming is a rewarding venture that offers great potential for farmers willing to navigate its challenges. By understanding the intricacies of breeding, feeding, and caring for frogs, farmers can build a successful and sustainable business. As the demand for frog meat continues to rise, embracing best practices in frog farming will pave the way for a profitable future. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone interested in frog farming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on agriculture and sustainable practices. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What challenges have you faced in farming? Let's discuss. And if you want to stay updated on our latest videos, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and let's hop into the world of frog farming together.